Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. I do apologize. This is take number 2. The first video just didn't work out. So let's get through it. So this is how to make a deck look blank. So you're going to need, and by the way, this is my absolute favorite Magic principle. It still is. Still is. After years of doing Magic, couple years. And I say years, I don't mean like weighted really heavy there. I just mean the last couple of years of doing Magic, everything that I've been exposed to, all the things that I've seen, this is still my absolute favorite Magic effect. And it's so simple. All you need is a blank card. Now, I love the Northern Lights from Emily Emily Slate's 52. She's got a Kickstarter that's going to be coming out with the next edition of the Nebulas. Go check them out. But this deck actually comes with 2 blank cards, which is kind of cool. Now, as a side note, I would recommend picking up a Pinochle deck, just in case you want to do this effect with a normal blue deck. Now, the reason why you'd want to pick up a Pinochle deck, not only for the blank card that's in it, but it also comes with 2 sets of each 4 of a kind. So you get 8 aces, 8 kings, 8 queens, all the way down to 9s, because you can play euchre and stuff like that with it. Fun fact for euchre is that euchre is not spelled Y-O-K-E-R. It is actually spelled E-U-C-H-R-E. Fascinating, right? So, anywho, this is the blank card and how to make it blank. Now, the question that I have is for anybody that's left-handed out there, how would you go ahead and approach this? Because if you're right-handed, you're going to learn how to do the fan like this, right? And that's going to have your blank card on the bottom. Now, obviously you can do the fan with both hands, but I learned how to do it with the left hand first, like this. I'm holding it in my left hand, but I'm right-handed and doing a fan. Now, just to give you a little bit of an extra bonus, this is how I typically do my fan, is I'll do the regular fan, and then I'll push up a little bit with my middle finger, which allows both sides to fall out into more of a completed circle. This will give you the same effect if you're doing one of these types of fans, something like that. Or you could do a beautiful pressure fan. So you have a lot of different options for the fan, but my question is, for a left-handed person who would be doing all of their mechanic stuff in their right hand and dealing off, do you learn left-handed or do you learn right-handed? Because your brain is used to doing right-handed. And the reason why I bring this up is because the principle that this is based on is the fact that these are right-handed cards in the sense that the indices or the pips are on the outside corners here. So when you do the fan this way, all of them are showing up here. But when you do the fan this way, they're invisible because the pips and indices on the opposite corner. So obviously when you have a blank card there, it's simply going to appear, and if you overshoot it, this is going to happen here. But if you just do a nice little fan there, you might get a couple of spots that show. But for my ambitious card routine, the way I sell it is that I talk about, you know, how you got plastic that as it heats up, it changes color. Well, that's the same thing with the cards, because all you do is you put your hand over the cards a little bit and gets the heat on there. Yeah, you got to heat it up really good. This one doesn't have a whole lot of ink. Sorry. Adversely, you could even do something like this. Take the heat away. But if I do it one more time, this is the thing that's really going to get you. It actually turns into a different card altogether. Because, you know, the ink, that's all it is. You're just heating up different parts of the card and whatnot. But that's the idea. So, absolute favorite Magic principle is the blank card effect, showing how to make a full deck look blank simply with a blank card. Beautiful. You can get the Pinochle deck. That way you can have a blank card for your blue bicycle deck if you need it. Or you can buy Elite bikes of different colors, and some of them actually come with a blank card in them. Or you can get a nice Kickstarter deck like this from Emily Slate's 52, and you'll get 2 of them. You'll get 2 of them. So hopefully this video works out a little bit better than the last one, and it's a little bit shorter, so cut out the filler. Thank you, everybody, and remember, stay positive, stay active, and stay awesome. And we'll see you in the next one.